This is the Tropical Fish Wheel by TFH Canada. Tropical Fish Wheel is amazing. It's got so many bright colors, large things to look at, talk about, positioning, above, below, beside. But what's great about our wheels as well is they can draw your attention throughout the room. So this wheel is actually up high in the space. It's above almost 4 feet off the floor currently. But I'm going to take the projector and I'm going to bring it down. And now we're going to light up the ball pool. So all of a sudden now the kids that are in the ball pool getting that wonderful proprioceptive feedback can have the fish going across them. Talk about I'm under the fish. Talk about I'm beside the fish. Different ways of seeing the fish. Or we can bring it right down here to the side wall of the ball pool by the beanbag chair and talk about putting our feet on top of the fish, what colors we're touching, what colors we're seeing. So great ways of changing up how to use the visual aspects and where to draw the eye within your sensory room. Again, I can take this projector and I'm going to lift it up this time and we're going to bring it right up to the back wall. And now you can see that we've got it back here above the swing. So this is a nice cuddle swing that we've got hanging here, which you can't quite see in the video, but that's okay. And the cuddle swing allows for the person in there to be able to lay their head back and look up at the fish. And also, don't be afraid, take it right up onto your ceiling. You may have to focus it and adjust the visual so that you can see it a little bit better. Just give it a twist or two here on the front lens. But change up where the visual focus is within your room simply by moving your projector. Half on the wall, half on the ceiling. Again, I'm going to have to focus it because I've changed the distance till it hits the wall. I'm just twisting the lens here. Now the spines are up on the ceiling, his belly is on the wall. Put him in the corner, make it even bigger. There's so many things you can do with your projector, and I hope you get the opportunity to play with the visual sense within your sensory room. Call TFH Canada if you have any questions or get in contact with us on the web. Talk to you soon.